Let's do a quick Chanel unboxing. Yellow Chanel. Yellow Chanel. Oopsies! I went a little Chanel again. What is wrong with me, you guys? Okay. Paris Chanel, famous white box. Oops, ouch. Famous white box, 31 Rue Cambon, Chanel. Let's do a quick Chanel unboxing. Yellow Chanel. Yellow Chanel. Okay? Yellow Chanel. Hey! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my fashion freak, a luxury lover, shopaholic, and we're gonna do a quick Chanel 31 Rue Cambon white box unboxing. I actually got 3 bags from them, and I actually got some beauty stuff too. So 3 bags, beauty stuff. Also, they gave me those black bags, which I love, and I can hold you another video on. But they literally, so at every other store in Paris, this is a Paris unboxing. Obviously, I just got back from Paris, so at every other store in Paris. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. 3 Chanel bags, even though we're like, you know, Chanel's like going a little bit down the pooper, right? The prices are going up, the quality's going down. I don't care. 2 of these ones I've wanted for a while. I've wanted these kind of styles in a while. I would have loved to get the baby of these 2 in one bag. Well, and modified a little bit, and I'll talk about that in a sec, but beggars can't be choosers. This is what they had, and I couldn't say no because these are both really, really hard to get bags that they never really have. That being said, I did see this TikTok about this girl saying that she gets Chanel bags as an employee for $200 a bag, and they're not greatest. So, but I saw that, and I didn't think about it because I already bought them. Okay, so forget about that. Talk about that in another video. But, and then I got 1 bag for a friend who asked me to get a bag for his girlfriend as a surprise. Congrats. So I'm not gonna really unbox it. I mean, I'll just show it to you, but I'm not gonna unbox it. I mean, I did have to unbox it to bring it back with me, so whatever, but I'm not gonna like, you know. But I did try it on for him and them, and so I'll put some videos of it. And then I got a bunch of beauty stuff from the Chanel beauty thing, which I'll just post a video of that too. I got all these like cleaning things and face things and all these things like that to really like. But also, yeah, I forgot to like, you know, every other store gives you a black, gives you a white bag to hide, like especially Hermes gives you a white bag to hide your bags when you shop, when you leave, so it's not a big bright orange bag, so you're not Target. Chanel, because the bags are white, they give you these black bags. So I asked for a few extra of these because I love these. They're so like whatever, black and just incognito, but they like are great for travel because I can put all my other bags inside them. And there's one that's literally the size of my Goyard one. I don't know where it is, but there's, so I asked for a few extra, she gave me a few extra, and they gave me a bunch of extra samples. The thing I love about Chanel is they are great with customer service. Even if their like quality is going a little down, their bags going a little down, whatever, their customer service is so amazing. Not that other brands aren't great. I had an amazing trip. I had an amazing trip at Hermes. I had an amazing experience everywhere. I got everything I wanted. You guys, this Paris trip, I got everything. I got it all. I'll talk about that in another video. But I spent a lot and I have no more money, so I can't ever buy again. So we're done for a while shopping. Shopaholic. After I did buy another bag on hermes.com, and I bought one more bag from my SA when I got back. But after that, we're done. Okay, so anyway, so I got 3 bags and then a bunch of beauty stuff. So the beauty stuff was like the face cream that I really like, the hand creams that I really like. I got a cologne for my mom, a perfume for my mom for Mother's Day. I got a couple other things, and they gave me these pads that are really, really nice that say Chanel, and then they're really cute. I don't know, it was really, really great experience. Great customer service. I went back 3 times. I only went because my SA texted me. I was planning on not going to Chanel. I was like, I'm not gonna buy anything from Chanel this time. I'm not. My SA texted me. She's like, I have this bag. I know you've been wanting it for a very long time. And I was like, ugh. And I almost said no. She held it for me for 2 days. And then as we were looking at it, like a couple of SAs came up to her and asked her, is that bag still available or what's going on? She's like, no, it's for my client, Which I think, I don't know if that's a tactic because that happens every time. But anyway, I already took the plastic off. I don't know where the plastic is. I wanted to repackage it and then, okay, I seem to have lost the packaging that went around it. So I'm just gonna do it because yeah, it comes with that thing and it holds the chain in place. But okay, so something I've been wanting for a long time. Again, I wish it was a little different, but it's okay. We're gonna get it anyway. It is a Chanel mini square flap lambskin champagne hardware square. So it's just the right size for your phone. It's quite small and cute. It's the classic Chanel flap, but at, you know, a quarter of the price, because I think it's now over 10. This mini, which they never have. Minis are impossible to get. But this one is a mini in lambskin. So like I said, I would have loved this if it was caviar. It doesn't seem as nice quality as the older ones. Again, I digress. And I'm pretty sure actually my mom wants this, so I might just give it to her because I got it. She's like, she was holding it and she said, someone else is gonna buy it, you have to get it. If you're not gonna get it, just give it to someone else. And I thought in my head, yeah, if I don't get it, someone else will get it. And they never really have these, and I can think about it later if I really wanna keep it. I thought about it, I don't know if I want to keep it, but my mom actually really, really liked it, so I think I'm just gonna give it to her. I already gave her a Kelly to go from Hermes for Mother's Day, but now maybe this can be a birthday present, or I don't know. Maybe she can just buy it for me so I can save a little money. But it is beautiful. It's really, really nice. Like I said, I wish it was caviar, and I wish it was the rectangular one, so it's a little bigger, and I also wish it was black. So I have a lot of wishes for it, but came in the classic Chanel white box, and that's that one. Okay, I'm really quickly gonna open my friend's one just so you can see it, but I actually really like this one, and I wish I would've got it another percent. It only came in this color. For my friend, who I actually have to go give it to today, so that's why I wanted to do this, film this really quick. It's for his girlfriend, and this is her first Chanel bag ever. It's her first designer bag. He's getting her first designer bag. It's so sweet. Kevin, you're so sweet. And she's like a Barbie girly girl. And so she wanted we've been texting, me and him and her two best friends, trying to figure out what the right bag is for her. And they were like baby pink. We decided on Chanel, and we decided we wanted caviar, and we decided we wanted a crossbody. So we ended up with this wallet on chain in pink. I'm gonna just take it out a little bit so you can see it. It's a wallet on chain with the CC, with the turn lock. So it's got the turn lock wallet on chain, which is really nice. Full wallet on chain inside. And then it's got this great strap that has two little hooks in it. One at a CC detail on the bottom, and then O somewhere in the middle. And the O is it's a zero. It's not an O, it's really it's that, but her name starts with an O, so it's like kind of cute because he wanted to get her a necklace with an O, but now it's like, you got a bag that says O, because when she wears it in a longer strap where it connects to the CC, the O will show, like right here. Whatever. I already took it out now. It'll be like right there with a little O. How cute is that? Okay, I have to pack this back up because this isn't really nice. Kevin, I hope you're not watching this. Okay. And then the third one I got, which is one I texted about a while ago, and I'm actually this is my favorite, and you guys know I love my wallet on chains. This is another wallet on chain, as you can tell. I have 5. I have the black one, the caviar, in gold and in silver, and I have the silver one, metallic silver with lambskin. So I got it is I'm trying to unbox it because I have to re-unbox it for TikTok. I should have done those first. The black, so black, lambskin, black hardware, jet black wallet on chain. This, if you know me, this is me. You guys know. You know this is what I love. It does make this kind of squeaky noise, which is kind of weird. I've never seen that. None of my other ones do, but I love the wallet on chain. It's so casual, it's so easy. It goes with everything. It's so easy to dress up, dress down. It is in a beautiful soft lambskin, which I'm like, after my Constance and now my other bags, like I feel like I'm getting okay with lambskin, and like whatever, it's gonna get scuffed, it's gonna get worn, but it's so pretty. So, and it's all black though, so it's not like so flashy. It's like a little more incognito. And you know, there's a million ways to wear this bag, and I'm gonna wear it a million different ways. It's a little black bag. I die, you guys. I die! Okay, so why I was saying I wanted to merge these two is I would have loved a small classic in all black with the black hardware, like a small classic flap, like mini flap in all black with black hardware. Ideally in caviar, but so I'm really a mix of all three, but whatever. One day I'll get that, one day that'll happen. I think that one's going to my mom, this one's for me, this one's for my friend. So I really only got one, so I really saved, and I did good. I did well. This is pretty good. From last time where I got like 6 bags, or the time before that where I got 6, and then last time where I got like 3, like 1 for me. Pretty good, right? Don't you think? Tell me it's okay. Okay, anyway, that's everything I got. The beauty stuff, I don't think you care about, but I got a bunch of beauty stuff too. Wait for my Hermes unboxing. You guys, I got it. I can't wait for you to see it. Okay. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Which ones you like, which ones you don't like. What are your thoughts? That's all I got. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies, because I know your time is valuable and your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys. Bye. Also, let me know in the comments below which ones you guys like the best. Do you think this is the best one to keep? Do you think I should keep the other one? Do you think I should keep the other one? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, bye.